Welcome to our channel. Today I will be showing you the easy and simple way to fit a new window handle onto your aluminum window sash. Let me show you how it's done. You will need one new window handle, and it should come with 4 self-tapping screws and 2 screw covers. Place the new window handle over the pre-drilled holes, then align the holes on the handle with the holes on the window sash. Now that the holes are lined up, take one of the self-tapping screws and screw the first screw into the first hole on the far left. Be cautious not to strip the screw when drilling the screw in with the drill. Drill nice and slow and just let the screw tighten up slightly. Open the window handle slightly in order to have access to the screw ports on the opposite side of the handle. Drill the second screw into any one of the ports on the other side and continue to drill the other 2 screws into the other remaining screw ports. Now that all 4 screws are in and snug, the next step is to use a star or Phillips screwdriver and tighten down the 4 screws, to make sure they are tight and secure. Be cautious not to strip and over-tighten the screws when doing this, just nip the screws up so that they are secure. Now it's time to clip the screw covers in. Insert the cover into the first screw port at a slight angle. Then take a thin blade and press the small clip in, push down and the cover should clip into place. Repeat this process for the other cover. Be cautious not to slip when using the small blade, as this could cause you to get injured. If you are not experienced with hand tools, we recommend using protective gloves when doing this. Job complete. The window handle is secure and ready to be put to work. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share our video. This will help us to create more videos like this in the future.